In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly transform any text transcript into a clear step-by-step guide using Microsoft Copilot. If you've ever had a transcript from a meeting, recording, interview, or spoken explanation and wanted to turn it into something much easier to read and follow, this process can save you a lot of time. Instead of manually rewriting everything yourself, you can use Copilot to organize the content into a simple instructional format. To begin, open your transcript document and copy all of the text you want to use. Make sure you're selecting the full section you want Copilot to work with, especially if the transcript includes everything needed for the guide. If the transcript is long, take a quick moment to confirm you've copied the correct content before moving on. Next, launch Microsoft Copilot. You can do this in whichever version is most convenient for you, whether that's in your web browser, in the mobile app, or within Microsoft 365 software. The experience may look slightly different depending on where you open it, but the basic process is the same. You're simply getting to the place where you can enter your request. Once Copilot is open, click into the prompt box and type a clear request asking it to summarize your transcript into a simple step-by-step instructional guide. This is important because the way you phrase your request helps shape the output. The clearer your instruction is, the more useful and organized the result will usually be. After writing your request, paste your transcript text directly after it and then press the send button. At this point, Copilot will analyze the transcript and generate a cleaner version based on what you asked for. This is where the raw text starts becoming something much more practical and polished. When the guide appears, take a moment to review it carefully. Read through the steps and make sure they match the meaning of the original transcript. If you want the guide to sound more formal, more casual, or more concise, you can simply ask Copilot to adjust it. You can also ask it to shorten the steps if the response feels too wordy. This final review helps make sure the output fits your audience and your purpose. And that's all it takes to turn a messy transcript into a polished guide with Copilot. With just a few simple actions, you can convert unstructured text into something clear, useful, and easy to share.